Hello guys, good day everyone. Still your boy Sensible. This video I want to guide you how you are going to swap your LT token when you have some to unlock. So now you go to your LT token. So this is my account. So as you can see here, you see what's unlock. As you can see here, unlock LT token. So this is the amount of LT token I can unlock right now. This is the amount of the LT token I can unlock right now. So you click on the market here. But first of all, you must make sure you are trading. You must make sure you are trading before you be able to unlock the coin. So this is the amount I'm using to participate in the trading. So now you just click on market. Then you can switch. Okay, first check. When you see my TRX, I'm changing it to TRX is 0. Yesterday I've unlocked some and I put it back into the trade. So now you go to market. Then you put in the amount. The amount available is here. The amount available is here. So I'll just put in the amount. 258.37. So click on exchange now. It's waiting. Blockchain confirmation in progress. So you go back to your account. As you can see, this is a whole of $13. As you can see, that's $13 over there. So that's how it is. So hurry up, let's make money, yeah? Put in $100. Let's trade and unlock the token. Make sure you get more people to, have more coins to unlock. If you're not trading or if you're not participating in the AI trading, you'll not be able to unlock the tokens unless they are launched, fully launched.